Hi everybody. Today we are going to show you how to actually post an ad on APIE project. So the first thing you have to do, you come here, see this link that says register. You click on it, you register. So the recommended way to actually register is through your social media. You can use Facebook, you can use Twitter, you can use LinkedIn, and you can use Gmail. So here, maybe I have some Gmail account. I'm just going to log in, and it's going to automatically take you there. See, it take me directly to me being logged in. So, and then the other way to actually do it, if you don't want to use your social media, then you can actually create a username and then the password. So let's say we call it test 12, then we give it a email at gmail.com, we give it a password, and then you click register. So it's going to ask you to actually confirm it in your email. So your registration was successful, but you have to confirm your email. So then you come here, this is the email we put it in, and if you go there and let's click on refresh, surely enough, this is activate your account. So you just click on it. Don't worry about this thing. I really don't understand why it's doing that, because in the beginning you can in the beginning it will go to the spam, but for some reason I don't know why it's doing this, but don't worry about it. Just come here and click register. So once you register your account, now your account has been activated. So now then you can actually log in with your new username and then the password. And if you go back to the email, it's going to say thank you for registering. So that's how you are actually registered to our site. So then now you come here, then you put the password that you just created, and then you log in. So just a note, this email is actually also going to have the password that you just created. If you click on it, you are going to see your password and then your username, and then it's going to have a link for login. I cannot open it because my password, my username is there. But once you click on this link, once you activate, this second email is going to be sent to you, and that second email has your username and then your password. So now that you are logged in, that you come here, this is how you post an ad. You click on post an ad. So the first thing you have to do, like I say, all ads on this website are free. There's nothing you have to pay whatsoever. So the ad is free for you to post, and then you can put like categories. So let's just say we are going to put like a graduation. So we put event. So we are going to advise the graduation, and then the category for that is going to be event, and then we click on go. So, and then we just put like terms, graduation, then you put your first name, like let's say APIE is your first name, and last name is project. Then you can put a phone number. Let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9. And then your email. And then your email is going to be like, let's put APIE project 1@gmail.com. And then here you can put all your Facebook. And if this is, because this is an event, so there's actually no price there, you can just put 00 because there's no price. You can put a city or maybe your street address, but you can a city is mandatory. Let's say we want to put this one in Nairobi. So this one event is taking place in Nairobi. And then I come here and then I select a country and let's go to Kenya. So, and you remember this phone number, and that's why I didn't put the country code. So you have to choose a country. So once you choose a country, everybody viewing your event is going to know that this is something that is happening in Kenya. And then they are going to find out the country code for Kenya. And that's why I didn't, here you just put your phone number, you don't put a country code, because this field is going to let the user know exactly what is the country code. So then the description is say, please come and enjoy reverse Tom's master degree graduation. This is a very happy event and we are so proud of him. So then here you can put some tags. Some tag is just like to search. You can put like something like Tom, Nairobi, like graduation, and master degree. And this is just the keyword that is going to help search. When somebody uses one of those keywords, your ad is going to pop up. And remember, the keyword should be comma separated. So those are the comma separated. And then you add an image. So let's say, let's go to the desktop. I put some image over there. Where did I put that image? Okay, download is on the, okay, this is the graduation. So then I put that image here. And it's going to, see, the image is going to pop up. You can set as a banner image. Set as a banner image is going to be in your listing. So we put it as a banner image. Do you see like Tom and his sister, and so they are happy and celebrating the graduation. So, and then I click here. You are allowed to upload 3 files. So you can actually add another image 3 times if you want to. But here, we don't want to upload. We just want 1 picture. So we continue. And here we just preview everything that we just put there. Event service, Tom graduation and stuff. And this one is just like a rule and guideline to tell you that the content have to be appropriate, no racism, not foul languages, not sex or joke or really bad advertisement, because once we find something like that, we are going to remove your ad. So you really have to put some professional ad listing, something that is not offending. So, and once you accept those by clicking to proceed button, you agree to our terms and condition. That's basically what I say. If you agree to, you click on this button, you have agreed to this one. And once you have agreed to this one, if your posting is offending, it's going to be taken out. So, and then you click continue. And now you can view here, hey, ad listing received. Thank you, your ad has been submitted and is now live. So now you come here, you can now view your ads. See? You can really view your ad, and then people can actually come and add some ratings on your ad. And then people can also come and leave some comment on your ad. Here you can actually put your profile picture. You can come here, see profile, edit profile. That's where you can change your pictures. So, and then if you want to see your ad on the landing page, you come here, you click this one. And on the landing page, your ad is. So then now that you are in the landing page, you can just come here. This is your category where we put our graduation event. And then here, this is Tom's graduation, you see? So Tom graduation is listed. Let's just click it, double check. And here, somebody can come here and click, let's say, write a review. It's going to send you to the comment where you can actually post to comment and stuff. And if you want to contact us, let's say you really want to contact us, you have something to tell us and stuff, you can always come here and click the contact page. And then you come here, you put your name, first name for your first number, email, and then you tell us what you want us to know, and then you submit. Or the feedback is mostly when you actually have an issue. Let's say you really see an offending ad and stuff, then you can just come here, complain about the user, you put your first name, last name, phone number, and email, complain about the user, you put a subject, and then you put a message, and then you submit. All the thing with the asterisk is those are required file. And let's say you also have some feature suggestion you want to let us know, you do the same thing. Or if you have the website issue, something about the website that is creating an issue, you can also send us a feedback. Or anything else, you can also send us a feedback. Okay, so far so good. I think this is the end of this tutorial where I show you how to actually post an ad on APIE project. And we actually, from the bottom of our heart, if you can send this website to your friend and family, because this is something we really want to, a website we really want to make known in Africa. So if you can, please send that to your acquaintances, your friends, and then your family, okay? Thank you so much for listening. See you later. Bye.